Hi guys, welcome to herKitchen. This is my very first in-person video, you guys. The year of 2026, I would like to bring you more long form content, so you will be seeing me pop in and out. I'm still going to do my regular videos, but I did want to introduce myself. My name is Kendra, or your new favorite barista bestie, and we are going to do all things coffee over here. So as you notice, a lot of my content is either instant coffee, or I have an espresso machine where I do the pods. My husband got me the Breville Barista Express, and for the first video we are going to be unboxing it, you guys. So yeah, I did, like I said, I want to bring you guys more long form content, and I wanted to formally introduce myself. Okay guys, so here is the box. It is very heavy, but I'm going to try to effectively film so you guys can see everything. I am looking forward to the mini espressos, lattes, latte art. I'm looking forward to all of it. Okay, so this is the top. Of course we have the directions. I think this is a porter filter, if I'm not mistaken. You guys, I'm so new to coffee, so we are going to be learning as we go. Please bear with me. We also have our, I'm guessing this is like a stabilizer. I don't know the correct term, so. All right, you guys, so here it is. It is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Again, I am going to be learning everything, you guys, but from what I read so far, this is the bean hopper. We have our porter filter, which is very, very heavy. Very, very nice weight. We also have our tamper, is what this is called. I also have a stainless steel milk frother, which is crazy because before opening this, I was on Amazon about to buy one. Well, actually one is on the way, but it comes with one. So yeah, we have our stainless steel milk frother, and this also came with a descaler. Removes hard water scale from espresso machine, coffee brewers, and kettles. So all of this is in here. This is going to be my little coffee area. I will eventually show you guys, but it's just a little area in my home that I think will be perfect for making coffee, lattes, and all of those things. We also have, I'm not going to open these items, but I'm just going to put them in this drawer here. So yeah, we have this one, a cleaning kit. We also have the razors, filters, of course the manual, and it also comes with a quick start guide. So thank you guys so much for watching my very first video. Come back. I am going to try my absolute best to be very consistent over here. If you're not getting in-person videos, long form videos, you will still continue getting the shorts. Just consistency. So I'm super excited, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.